Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into incredible DIY tools on Amazon. From innovative gadgets to must-have essentials, these tools will take your projects to the next level. As always, all the product links are in the description below, so grab your toolkit and let's get started. The Chemo 18-gauge cordless nail gun, powered by dual 2.0 amp-hour batteries, delivers precision and power with 2 firing modes and adjustable nailing depth. It handles 180 nails per minute, and the 1,000 included nails and staples keep me unstoppable. Portable, efficient, and beginner-friendly, this tool has become my ultimate crafting companion. Transform decking projects with the Camo Drive Deck tool, a stand-up drill designed for edge, clip, and face fastening with effortless precision. Its ergonomic design speeds up work, while the versatile fastening system ensures clean, professional results. Perfect for both pros and DIYers, this tool redefines efficiency and convenience for flawless deck building. Stability meets innovation with the USA-made original PVT ladder tool. Whether you're painting, repairing, or cleaning, this tool levels your ladder effortlessly, even on uneven surfaces. Trusted for 27 years, it's lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring safety and convenience. A must-have for every DIYer or pro tackling hard-to-reach tasks with confidence. Tackling a DIY project requires efficiency and precision, and the Craig Quick Flip delivers both. This innovative tool simplifies switching between drilling and driving, streamlining your workflow. Built for versatility and reliability, it's a game changer for holiday home improvement projects and an ideal gift for any professional or hobbyist. When you're working on a project and need tools that do more than one job, the Jacari 61000 Quadro is a lifesaver. With its 4-in-1 functionality, it combines precision cutting, crimping, stripping, and punching into one easy-to-use tool. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this versatile tool makes every task simpler, saving time and effort. Perfect for those who want to keep their toolkit compact yet powerful. Tackling yard work doesn't have to be a chore with the Works 20-volt jaw saw. This cordless chainsaw combines power with safety, allowing you to cut through branches effortlessly. Thanks to its innovative jaw design, you can saw without worrying about kickback. Whether you're trimming trees or cutting firewood, this tool's compact size and powerful battery make it a must-have for any homeowner looking to get the job done quickly and safely. Tired of uneven sprays? The Ryobi 1 Plus electrostatic sprayer ensures even coating with its 18-volt battery and electrostatic tech, perfect for disinfecting or applying pesticides. The 2.0 amp-hour battery offers extended use, making it ideal for larger jobs. Upgrade your cleaning game with this powerful tool. Tackle caulking jobs with precision and ease using Milwaukee's M18 caulk gun. Its ergonomic design and powerful M18 system ensure smooth, effortless application for home repairs or professional projects. Experience cleaner, faster results with a tool built for control and long-lasting performance. This 8-inch variable speed industrial buffer is the perfect tool for the job. Whether you're polishing metals, restoring old furniture, or giving your car a shine, this buffer delivers power and precision. Its variable speed control ensures you can adjust to any task, and the heavy-duty motor ensures durability and efficiency. If you're serious about achieving that professional-grade finish, this buffer is a must-have. When precision matters, this split beam torque wrench is your go-to tool, offering plus or minus 4% accuracy, a 15-degree flex head for tight spaces, and a 72-tooth mechanism for smooth adjustments. It's perfect for cars, motorcycles, and more. With a 50 to 250 foot-pound range, it's built for performance and reliability. Tackling tough jobs just got easier with the Wear a Wheel Impactor C-Set. Designed for heavy-duty use, this 3-piece socket set offers durability and precision. With a 1/2-inch drive and black finish, these sockets are built to withstand high torque, providing reliable performance every time. Whether you're working on your car or tackling other projects, the Wear-A-Set's impact-resistant design ensures you get the job done without worrying about wear and tear. When you're faced with a tough, hard-to-turn pipe, the rigid 5-inch strap wrench is the perfect solution. This adjustable tool grabs hold with ease, giving you the leverage needed to tackle even the most stubborn fittings. Its strong strap and comfortable handle make it ideal for tight spaces and tough tasks, ensuring reliability and control when you need it most. A must-have for anyone looking to get the job done efficiently. When tackling a demanding project, having the right tool makes all the difference. The DeWalt 20V Max Impact Driver is built for exactly that. With 3 speed settings and cordless convenience, it excels at both precision and power tasks. The lightweight design, along with a battery and charger included, ensures you can keep going without interruption. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, this tool is a must-have for your toolkit. After a long day, there's nothing more satisfying than splitting your own firewood for a cozy night by the fire. The firewood splitter makes that experience effortless. With its heavy-duty manual design, it's perfect for tackling tough logs. No need for gas or electricity, just power through the task with this efficient tool. Whether you're preparing for the season or enjoying a weekend project, this splitter delivers the performance you need. There's nothing more annoying than trying to remove a rusted or stripped bolt that just won't budge. The Gear Wrench 28-piece bolt biter set solves this problem with ease. Designed to tackle even the toughest bolts, this impact extraction socket set gives you a secure grip every time. Whether you're working on machinery or tackling DIY projects, these sockets make quick work of tough jobs. A game changer for your toolbox. Moving heavy door panels or sheets of material used to be a hassle, but the Trend door and sheet material skate makes it effortless. With its smooth, easy glide design, transporting bulky materials around your workshop is no longer a struggle. It's built to handle even the heaviest loads, saving you time and energy. Whether you're a pro or DIYer, this tool is a must-have for improving workflow and ensuring safety on the job. For those looking for a compact yet powerful sanding tool, the Proxen cordless belt sander is a game changer. It's designed to handle tough sanding jobs with ease, especially in tight spaces. The cordless operation lets you work freely without worrying about tangled cords. Whether you're restoring old furniture or smoothing rough wood, this sander ensures a professional-grade finish with minimal effort. A must-have tool for both DIYers and professionals. When you're out in the wild, a reliable saw is a must. This folding bow saw brings ease to every cut. With its sturdy black frame and vibrant yellow handle, this 21-inch saw is easy to spot and even easier to use. Its all-purpose blade handles a variety of materials, making it perfect for everything from camping trips to backyard projects. Compact, durable, and ready to tackle anything you throw at it. This heated jacket kit is a game changer for outdoor workers and adventurers. With a large black jacket powered by Milwaukee's M12 battery, it provides warmth exactly where you need it. Whether you're on the job or braving the cold, this jacket offers customizable heat settings and comfort without the bulk. Plus, the battery and charger are included, making it the perfect cold weather companion. Imagine working on a project and you're juggling traditional tape measures, constantly bending over to read the numbers. Enter this digital tape measure. This sleek 3/4 inch by 16-foot tool makes measuring effortless with its digital display, instantly providing accurate readings. Whether you're measuring for home improvements or DIY projects, its waterproof design ensures durability. A must-have for anyone who wants precision and convenience in a single, easy-to-use device. The Coutal vine tying machine is designed to tackle large volumes with ease. With its robust build, it can tie up to 45 vines per minute, allowing you to cover more ground in less time. Whether you're working in a large vineyard or a small garden, this tool ensures precision and efficiency. Its simplicity means you can get started quickly, while its durability ensures you get the job done season after season. The No Cries Premium Cut Resistant gloves offer level 5 protection, making them the perfect safeguard for your hands during food prep. Whether you're chopping vegetables or working with sharp knives, these gloves offer superior comfort and dexterity without compromising on safety. Plus, they're machine washable and come with a complimentary ebook to get the most out of your new kitchen companion, the ideal balance of protection and comfort. Kneeling for hours on hard surfaces can be brutal, but with these professional gel knee pads, you can feel the difference immediately. Featuring soft foam and gel cushions, they take the pressure off your knees while you work. The tough cap and military-grade rivets add durability, while the adjustable straps ensure the perfect fit for both men and women. If you're tackling construction tasks or DIY projects, these knee pads are a must-have for comfort. If you've ever struggled with uneven tile cuts, the Montolit Master Puma P3 manual tile cutter is the game changer you've been waiting for. Perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and pros, it delivers precision and smooth cuts with ease. Built to last, its robust design and accurate guide ensure that every tile is cut flawlessly. Ready to take your tiling projects to the next level, this cutter is your go-to tool. Tackling those tough outdoor chores just got easier with the Greenworks 80-volt backpack blower. Picture this: you're powering through leaves, debris, and yard waste with 800 CFM of power, and you're not worrying about fuel. Thanks to the dual port system, you'll get extended runtime while the rapid charger keeps you going non-stop. Whether it's fall cleanup or general yard maintenance, this blower makes your outdoor tasks a breeze, literally. And that's a wrap. I hope you discovered some amazing tools to enhance your DIY projects. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more DIY tips and cool finds. Let me know in the comments which tool you're excited to get your hands on. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.